Spot trading is very simple if you are going to implement this strategy that I'm about to show you. You can see screenshots here. I made this coin while it was at 0.2528, and after placing a 2% sell, which you can see up here, 0.2575, and it got triggered. So I'm going to show you everything, the strategy I use. This is spot trading, it's not future trading, okay? Spot trading at least comes with less risk, unlike future trading. If you want to know how to do this by yourself, don't skip any part of this video, because I'm going to show you everything step by step on how you can be making at least 2% on each trade, and you can do this like 10 times, which is that is 20%. So if you are using $100 to do this, you will be making 20% of $100 or 100 USDT is going to give you 20 USDT. Imagine getting 20 USDT or even 10 USDT every single day. It's actually something. So I'm going to show you up this strategy. So let's hop into Binance. Here is the cryptocurrency. So I made this cryptocurrency at you see, let me go back to the screenshot. You can see here I made it at 0.2528, and I now place a sell order of 0.2575 with a capital of $300 to make 5 or almost $6 in profit. So you can check the time, it was 11 a.m., 11:31 a.m. Let me point out this to show you the clear analysis. Okay, you can see the time here, 13 February 2025, and you can see the real time, 11:30. So let me click on it again. You can see 11:30 here. So I cut into the coin at 11:31. I said this on 30 minutes time frame. So each candle represents 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, another one is going to form up. So after, let's say after this 11:30, I made it at 11:31. So this one is going to form up another 30 minutes, making it 1 hour. So I made it at a very low price, of which I show you guys. So after 12 o'clock, the price actually triggered at 1 o'clock p.m., which is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see about 1 hour time before the price triggered. So if actually I carried out this trade with real money, I would have made 5.9 USDT in just an hour. So you can do this like 10 times, 5 times in a day. It's actually possible. Let's get to the deal of today. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to spot out this kind of opportunity, to know when to buy and when to sell, okay, so that you not just jump into the market and lose up, okay? So watch it till the end. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share, please. Thank you. So how I check out this opportunity, I normally come to home, where you see home here. When you come to home, the first thing you are going to see is favorite. You see hot, gainers, losers, you see new, you see 24 hours volume, you see market cap, you see all these things. So what I normally do is I will come to these gainers. I will now check for coin, the the first three coins that are doing well, that are on top. I'm going to pick one. Like let's say I want to go with this one, HEI. No, I'm not going to go this one. This one is actually a very new coin. I want to go with this third one. And you can see this third one. You can actually decide to go with this one. Then after spotting out the coin that I want to do analysis on, first of all, I'm going to come down here where you see MA, EMA and Bollinger Band. I will now use click on Bollinger Band, and the next one I'm going to select is RSI. You select RSI, so we are using Bollinger Band and RSI for this strategy. So let me first explain Bollinger Band. This Bollinger Band is an indicator that indicates the low and high of a coin less than 30 minutes. What I normally do is, like, for instance, this coin is on Kenya side and it has come down to cross this middle Bollinger Band to the lower Bollinger Band. So at times a coin like this will move up. Okay, for instance, let me show you this one. At times you meet a coin at this moment, at this point, it will never come back to the lower Bollinger Band. It will keep moving up and going up and up. Then, but for you to be on a safer side, always, at least at times, allow a coin, or allow the price to come down to the lower Bollinger Band before you place a buy order. After I confirm the Bollinger Band, I will also use the RSI. If you are buying a coin, let me click on this to show you something. You can see if I point this, the RSI 7 is 83, then the RSI 14 is 81, and the RSI 24 is 71. So if you come across this kind of movement in price, don't buy it. Wait for the coin to come down. Assuming I enter into this coin at this point, let me point out the arrow. You can see the RSI 7 is 23, RSI 14 is 39, and RSI 24 is 48, which is, it is a very clear point that if I enter into this coin, at least it is going to go up at least 3% or 2%. In this case, if you combine the Bollinger Band and the RSI, in Bollinger Band, if you meet a coin at this point, if the coin is from the Kenya side, anything in Kenya side actually means that the buyers are in control. Let me show you another strategy that I combined to get an accurate result. So let's go to our coin market cap. You are going to search for the coin you actually want to buy. So what we need to do is, what is the name of the coin? Let's go. The name of the coin is the. So let's search for it. So this is the coin. Tenor. Abbreviation for this coin is there. So we click on it. Once you click on it, you wait for it to load up. You can see it's loading. Once you click on the market, you can see the available exchanges that listed this coin. So we are interested in Binance. So you can see what we are looking at here is these two things, plus 2% debt and minus 2% debt. This, I'm going to explain what is this minus 2% debt and plus this plus 2% debt. First of all, let me go with minus 2% debt. This minus 2% debt actually means, number one, it represents the total value of buy orders placed within 2% below the current market price. Then number two, it indicates how much demand exists near current price. Then number three means stronger buying support and less chance of a price drop. When this number three actually means, if minus 2% debt is greater than plus 2% debt, it means that the price of a coin is actually going to go up and it will not easily drop, since buyers are in control. In any market or any place at all, when the demand of a particular product is higher than the supply, it tends to make the product gain value. So in crypto, when the -2% debt is higher than the +2% debt, which simply means that the buyers are in control, it means that the price is actually going to go up and it will not drop easily. Then let's explain -2 +2% debt. The +2% debt actually stand for sell side liquidity, while -2% debt actually stand for buy side liquidity. So this +2% debt, number one, it represent the total volume of sell orders placed within 2% above the current market price. Then number two, it indicates how much supply exists near the current market price. Indicate to show you that sellers are in control. So then the higher +2% debt means stronger selling pressure and less chance of a price surge. What do you understand by price surge? SURGE. Price surge means a rapid or significant increase in price of a cryptocurrency within a short period of time. After explaining what the -2% debt and +2% debt is, and I have told you, when I want to buy a coin, first of all, you go to the gainer side, you pick a coin from the first to the third coin, you pick any one of them. Once you pick any one of them, first thing you need to look out for, you look out for the Bollinger Band. Make sure that the price drop to the lower Bollinger Band before you place a buy order. And also once you come to the RSI, make sure that the RSI 7, 14 and 24 is lesser than 50 before you place a buy order. I repeat myself, make sure that the price come down to the lower Bollinger Band and also the RSI is below 50. The three RSI is below 50 before you take a buy order. So then after checking that, another confirmation is come to coin market cap, point out this +2% debt. Make sure that the +2% -2% debt is greater than the +2% debt, which is if the -2% debt here is greater than the +2% debt, it simply means that buyers are in control, that this price of this coin, the price of this coin is not going to drop easily, it's not going to drop anytime soon. So that's what you need to check out for, and that's what I normally check out for. Then after that, let's use this coin for instance. It's not guarantee, it's not always 100% guarantee, but most of the time that I try out this stuff, it normally works. So let's say you want to buy this coin with 300 USDT. With 300 USDT, you are going to receive 443.5 THE. Normally take 2% of the price, just 2% above the current market price in order to make profit. So let's go to my calculator. Let me show you how to calculate the 2%. On your calculator, what you need to do is to click on 2% times the price 0.6763 plus 0.6763, which is you are going to place a sell order of 0.689. 0. Click on sell. Zero point 0.6889. If you place a 2% sell order above the current market price that you bought the coin with your 300 USDT, you are going to make 5.5 cents profit. You understand? With your 300 USDT, you are going to make 5.5 USDT as your profit. Okay, so that's basically how I spot out the simplest strategy on spot trading, and that's how I make my money. If you are watching this video, you can actually try out this strategy. I'm not saying you should put your real money first, but if you have the money to put, you can put it. But just try it first. Try everything that I'm showing in this video first and see if it's going to work for you, and I believe it's going to work for you. I have been trying this strategy for 5 days, and every trade is a win-win for me. So before I engage with my real money, I have tested it like 5 times before I get in with my real money. So that's why I said let me just quickly come and show you guys this update so you can try out for yourself. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.